Welcome to Tampa, Florida, a sun-soaked paradise bursting with family-friendly adventures. Whether you're here for the thrills, the wildlife, or just to soak in the sunshine, Tampa has something for everyone. Start your day at Busch Gardens, where roller coasters meet wild animal encounters. This world-class theme park is perfect for adrenaline junkies and animal lovers alike. Next, dive into the aquatic wonders of the Florida Aquarium. Get up close with sea turtles, sharks, and more as you explore the depths of the ocean right in the heart of Tampa. For a more laid-back experience, head to Tampa's Riverwalk. This scenic path winds along the Hillsborough River, connecting you to museums, parks, and playgrounds. Stop by the Glazer Children's Museum, where kids can explore, learn, and play in interactive exhibits. No trip to Tampa is complete without visiting the iconic Tampa Bay. Relax on the sandy shores of Clearwater Beach, just a short drive away, or take a boat tour to see dolphins in the wild. The nearby Tampa Bay History Center offers a deep dive into the area's rich history, perfect for curious minds of all ages. When it's time to eat, Tampa's culinary scene is a must experience. Try the legendary Cuban sandwich in Ybor City, Tampa's historic Latin Quarter. Afterward, stroll through the vibrant streets, taking in the sights and sounds of this culturally rich neighborhood. From thrill rides to marine life and from historic sites to beautiful beaches, Tampa is the ultimate family destination. So pack your bags, bring your sunscreen, and get ready to make memories that will last a lifetime.